Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the picturesque, beautiful town of Altea La Vella, which comes under the municipality of Altea. This splendid classic Mediterranean that I have to show you today is on a plot of 1,368 square metres and the house itself is 450 square metres. It offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and is distributed on 2 floors with beautiful grounds and surrounding natural landscapes. So let's begin the tour. This is the entrance of the home from street level. So you would enter here with your vehicle. You have a very spacious, long and beautifully palm tree lined driveway on one side. You get to see the splendour of the architectural design of the home, but then you also have a driveway here on this side that then leads up to your garage. And what a spellbinding view I have going up to the garage. Here you get to also see that there are various relaxation zones and also garden spaces that come surrounding the entire home, as the plot is quite extensive. But this would be the door that would allow you comfortable entry into the garage. And as I said, because it has a driveway that surrounds the property with all this terracotta paving, you have plenty of options for vehicles. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, I am met with a warm, neutral-toned and very inviting entry hall. To my left of the front door, you will find that there is your video intercom system and also your air conditioning system and a technical box for all of your switches. So this is the entry hall as you would enter, and to my right you will find that this is the separate kitchen. But first of all, I'm going to take you into the main heart of the home. So as we come into this living space, you will find that it comprises of an open plan living room and dining room. Altogether, the space is 58 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.6 metres. You can see that it has been lovingly designed on the interior to be classic Mediterranean, but also to give you that lovely accent of very nice comfort. In this beautiful way it has been decorated. So here I am in the main area of the living space, the living room, the heart, and as you can see, it's overlooking patio doors that open out and give you full integration of the exterior terraces, not to mention spellbinding views of where we are here, high up in Altea La Vella. Along the way, you will also see that this, within the curve of the natural architecture of the home, is the dining space. This table is currently set to dine 6 and has a really nice feature above it for your lighting. And then coming through the arches, I'm taking you back towards the entry hall, and to my right you will find is the family kitchen. This is a spacious kitchen that gives you 20 square metres, and you also find that it is fully equipped. You have lots of storage cabinets as well as countertop space. You also have here a large range which is Bosch for your cooking hob and your extractor. Below you have your microwave and oven. Over to this side, a continuation of your cabinets and storage, as well as your washing machine and a little breakfast bar nook here to my left. Taking you along the hall, to the left, the owner has also got right here an office. You could be used as a study nook, but it also has a door that leads to the lower floor, just here. So now I'm going to take you along the hall some more, and this would be the main bathroom, which is fully equipped and light and bright. This door now, through this side of the home, leads to the primary suite. So as we enter the primary suite, we would enter into the dressing room, which has integrated wardrobes. And then next to that, you also see that there is the ensuite his and her, or her and her, or his and his bathroom. And that also comes with a very spacious tub. And then you also have on one side the separation of the primary bedroom. Altogether, the space is 37 square metres. You also have patio doors that open and also lead directly to the swimming pool. Coming out from the living area into the expanse of the outdoor living spaces for the family to enjoy all year round. Here I am on a terracotta stone terrace, very classical Mediterranean inspired design here with the curves of these balconies and just looking at the rolling mountains and the countryside that I am in right here in this location is rather wonderful. Feel utterly spoiled. So this terrace is fantastic in the sense that you have a sheltered area here where you have an outdoor dining space. We have a table that is currently set to dine for. You have different areas perfect for sun lounging. This is a rectangular swimming pool that is 8 by 4 metres. You have steps that lead down very comfortably, and you also have a deeper end on one side. Right here I'm passing the jacuzzi area, which is a good spot for those that like to have a little soak in the tub, and overlooking what is the outdoor kitchen and bar. This outdoor kitchen also does come fully equipped. It is roofed for comfort. You also have a sink, cabinetry, as well as a refrigerator on one side, and it can illuminate at night. And then what's interesting as well is you have the outdoor shower right here for the convenience of those that are using the swimming pool. Coming down the stairs to the lower floor, and it brings me into the rest of the heart of the home. Here we have an open plan kitchen, living room and dining room. Here I am stood in the kitchen, and this kitchen is a fully equipped one. You have a sink, you have cooker, extractor, windows here to let in plenty of natural light, and also your washing machine in the corner there. You also have a lovely little breakfast nook over here. It comes into the expanse of another living space, a living room, and also then onto a dining room. Altogether, the living area is 104 square metres, with a ceiling height maintained on this floor of 2.6 metres. So you have this lounge, which is very cosy and is, as you can see, still very traditional Mediterranean in style. But then it opens out into the curve of the dining space, which is beautifully adorned with these lovely windows of spellbinding views of the natural landscape. This dining table is set to dine 6. I love how they have it lower as well to make it a bit more of a focal point. So now I'm going to show you the rest of the living quarters. First of all, along the hall, you have the main bathroom, which is also overlooked by integrated wardrobes for storage. And then as we continue along the hall from the fully equipped bathroom, it takes us to the bedroom, the first bedroom on this floor. This bedroom is light and bright. It is 12 square metres. On one side you have windows that give you beautiful views of that gorgeous, gorgeous countryside. And then on the other side you also have your integrated wardrobes. In all of the rooms on the lower floor level you'll find that there is central heating. And then along the hall some more, it takes us to the second bedroom. This bedroom is 14 square metres. You have also a window on one side letting in plenty of light and views, and also an integrated wardrobe. Conveniently on this floor as well, you do actually have your own private entrance, which takes you from the gardens to the door of the home. And so now taking you over the way, as if we're going past the breakfast bar, I am now taking you to the third bedroom on this floor, which is the largest bedroom. This bedroom is 16 square metres. You have a dressing nook as you enter with integrated wardrobes. You also have a large window on one side, and then a door that leads to a fully equipped ensuite bathroom. Taking you from the private entrance through this door of the lower floor takes us out onto another terrace. This terrace you can really appreciate a roofed space for dining, or even lounging, and also a sunny spot if you wanted to do some sunbathing and check out those views. Just 4 minutes driving here has brought us to this beautiful beach, not too far away, La Vella, overlooking a beautiful beach restaurant, a 5-star hotel. You can enjoy this expanse of nature and the Mediterranean Sea in no time. So in this spot, I will also deliver to you the nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €2,000 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a gorgeous family home located in a really picturesque setting. If you do like the listing and you'd like to know more, then please go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!